Snow problem? Solve it quickly and easily with the telescoping snow broom from Snow Joe. The snow broom features a patented dual-purpose design. On one end, an oversized 18-inch wide broom head to quickly push heavy, wet snow off your vehicle. On the other, a built-in ice scraper to scrape away ice buildup on your windshield. Its durable, non-abrasive foam head means no damage to your car's paint, trim, or glass surfaces. Plus, Snow Joe keeps your comfort in mind by adding a telescoping pole that extends from 30 to 49 inches to provide maximum reach and minimal strain. Just twist the pole to loosen, extend to your ideal length, and twist again to lock the pole. Now you can clear hard-to-reach surfaces without having to lean onto your cold and snowy car. Weighing only 1.2 pounds, the Snow Joe Snow Broom is easy to handle and even easier to store. Designed with a built-in bracket holder, it fits easily inside your car or hangs neatly in your garage. Don't get stuck in a snowy situation this winter. Go with Joe and clear out fast from tough winter messes. The telescoping snow broom with ice scraper from Snow Joe. Get equipped.